Hey Fred, where'd you get all this fancy new marble from?
Oh, that's not marble, Bubba. It's a concrete stain.
Hell, it wasn't stained. What'd you go put down marble for?
Doggone it, it ain't marble. It's a concrete acid stain from Concrete Camouflage.
Now what the heck did you go and put marble down for?
I said it ain't marble, and I got it to do the floors in my house. I saw how good it looked, how easy it was, so I got me more for this here restaurant.
You could have got tile for your restaurant.
Yeah, I know, but this here concrete stain from Concrete Camouflage cost a fraction of as much as that danged old tile. You could go trotting across it in your big old dang boots, covered in manure, and with just a little bit of that top shield floor wax, it'll clean up slick as olive oil on a slip and slide. And if it does start to show a little wear, I can just mop on a fresh coat of wax and it's good as new, big boy!
No shit.
Hell yeah, babe.
Well, this sure looks like some fancy marble.
It ain't friggin' marble, gosh darn it, it's a concrete acid stain.
You know, I think I'll get myself some of this fancy marble stuff.
It ain't friggin' marble!
Well, look at all them dang marble color variations.
You know, I think I will get me some tile.
You will? What for?
So I can use every single piece to give you a big old bonk on your hollow coconut.
Yeah, wait a minute, you're selling coconuts now? Fred, where are you getting all this money from? Hey, can I borrow a few bucks to get me some of that marble?
Take a look at our stains, sealers, and waxes from Concrete Camouflage, located at concretecamouflage.com. They'll outperform, outshine, outlook, and outlast almost anything in their class. So visit today and you too can
Camouflage your concrete! Camouflage and concrete.
Camouflage and concrete.
and it ain't friggin' marble.